Hey guys, it's Ash from Aerial Nonsense and these are our carabiners. So all of our carabiners, Aerial Nonsense, are auto lock, so they have these handy gates that lock themselves and they're rated for a minimum of 3 tons. So small and mighty, these guys are super strong. We get some questions of people asking how they work and why we prefer them. First of all, we have 2 shapes. We have our ovals and our D-shaped carabiners. They are a personal preference, so the D-shaped carabiners are the strongest. They're rated for 5 ton, which is massive, where the ovals are 3 ton, which is still heaps for what we do. Some people prefer the Ds, especially for trapeze and things that have a really massive rigging point that you need to get around. The ovals don't open as wide as the Ds, so you might need the D for more room. Where with rigging slings and things that are going to pull directly up and down on the axis, the ovals are preferred. So this is our oval and this is how we use it. The easiest way is get the spine or the back of the carabiner in the palm of your hand. Reach your fingers around it. First of all, we press down. Second, we rotate. And then third, pull the gate in towards you. Once it's open, pop your apparatus on, let the gate go. This is why it's our favorite. The gate auto locks. So it's good to know you're nice and safe. You don't have to stress about your equipment undoing with an auto lock gate. It's gonna be your best friend. So a little safety check and we're good to go. Let's get our Lyra up and get into the fun stuff.